Bobby.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
Alligator.
A few drops of magic pepper makes lots of bubbles.
What is it?
Oh.
What is- Octopus. You're right.
You tell me.
The bubbles come when we scrub and rub. Okay, friends, now
Balloonfish.
it's time to rinse off
You
and
tell me.
get all those
Octopus.
answers.
Orca.
Good reading, Marcus.
Here, eat this.
That's
No,
awesome.
Brody, Brody, and Fufa all rinse off the foam. Their foamy bubbles. And bubbles. Hot water.
What's this one?
Then those germs right down the
Fridge. What's this?
Yay. Phone?
Good
All
job. What's this?
Wiggly,
This one.
yucky germs
Good
are
job.
gone,
What's this?
says Bruno. And I
Horse.
smell great too.
What's
Yay, shout children. Fun Bruno.
Lights on. What's this?
The end.
Good reading. You read it so good.
That was awesome, dude. That was great.
So
High five.
proud of you.
High five.
No.
Good job, buddy.
There.
Good job, Miles.
Alligator.
There.
Alligator. So let's go upstairs and take a shower. Nice and warm bubble bath.
No.
Bubble, 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 bubble.
Bubble.
Bubble, bubble.
To send the germs right down the drain.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Like the ones, like
Ruby's hair.
yeah, like
Yeah.
the yellow one. Oh, the green one. Oh, the red one. Oh, the blue one.
Uh-huh.
The purple one.
Yeah.
Nemo. The black one.
All of them.
The white one.
Yeah.
Choo-choo train.
Choo-choo train.